Hi, I'm Helen from Silver Cloud, and welcome to the April edition of our Movers and Shakers series, where I'll give you a really quick roundup of all the HR tech news from across our industry. And I'd say April was heavily dominated by the tier ones and the AI messaging across all parts of their platform. So SAP SuccessFactors launched their latest release, fully AI enabled, AI agents spanning all parts of the system from payroll, learning, workforce admin, talent management, you name it, it's there. Really makes me want to go back to my hands-on days where I can start implementing some of this stuff. Workday, they launched new federal AI agents for the US, which is going to help with a lot of those HR processes that we know are always tricky. They're heavily compliance focused. And they also said that they've partnered with Achievers, which is a leading reward and recognition platform. This is a real theme for 2026, with software vendors partnering together to enhance each of their offerings. I think we'll continue to see this across 2026. We also saw Oracle. They announced their Fusion agentic applications for HR in 8 new areas. Really take a look at this list. It's fascinating. Some of the things that jumped out to me was all about the contract compliance. Having worked in HR all of my career, we know how complex that is. Workforce scheduling, all the other stuff that SuccessFactors are also looking at. But the one that particularly stood out to me was the manager concierge service, which will help managers make smarter decisions about their teams. I would love to see the output of that. UKG also announced that they've integrated their agentic workforce operations platform into Google Cloud's Gemini enterprise agent. Layman terms, basically what they're doing is they're embedding their platform into Google Cloud's AI agent. So what we're seeing here is that you can access your HR system from outside the HR system. This is a real shift for the industry. So you'll be able to just start working in some AI chatbot, just ask it to onboard Sarah into sales, and it will go off and do that without actually needing to go into the HR platform. Be really interesting to see how this evolves over the next year and couple of years to see where it goes. And just outside of the tier ones, we've got Sage. They've announced a new HCM platform in North America, which integrates with Sage Intact. And just a little mention for HiBob as well. They're really focusing on community. So if you're a HiBob customer, you'll know how strong their community is and how they really focus on that. But they are also launching now some local communities, which will be really interesting. We're all going AI, but actually people still do need to connect. And those of us that have gone into HR want to work with people. So it's nice to see HiBob looking outside of the AI arena. All of this news you can see below. Take a look, make sure you follow us. And that's it from us at Silver Cloud. We're very busy at the moment trying to keep up to date with all that's going on. If you are looking for an HR system, or you just want to reach out and just want some advice on a bit of a short list, always happy to do that for free, of course. Just get in touch and drop me a message.